Agile is focused on timely, effective, high-value problem solving to the business. If you wondered who said something like that, it was Shane Harrison in one of his PI planning therapy sessions. I can highly recommend to watch the whole episode. Click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what's behind the 10th wicket.
Oh, this wicket is for those of you who are into fast navigation. You can quickly navigate between the boards with the number keys 1 to 6. 1 is the program backlog board, 2 is the program board, 3 is the program risk board, 4 is your own team board, 5 is the canvases, and last but not least, you get to the PI objectives overview with 6. When you press the number key 4 on the team board again, the team selection appears, where you can switch to another team. For the canvases, pressing the number key 5 again will bring up the canvas selection.